Hi guys, welcome back to my fourth vlog. In this video, I'll be talking about what is yoga, what are the different kind of postures in yoga, and how it benefits your body. So let's get started about what is yoga. Yoga is an exercise for your mind and body. This helps you feel good. So now I'll be talking about what are the different kind of postures in yoga. First pose in yoga is the frog pose, which I'll now show you, which is like this, and it can help your chest clear, which can improve lung function by allowing more oxygen to come to flow through your system. So that's how it helps for frog pose. The next pose I'll be talking about is the dolphin pose, which I'll show you now. Is like this, and it benefits relief from headaches, insomnia, fatigue, which is when you're really tired, and lastly, mild depression. The next pose is ragdoll pose, which is like stretches, but it's a different name. So I'll show you now. This. And it can help to make the lower back and neck pain less severe. Painful, you can say, which is a simple word for severe. So now I'll be showing the rainbow pose, which is like this. So that was the rainbow pose, and it benefits you to walk and sit on the floor. So then the next pose is lion pose, which I'll show you. It's just like this. Which strengthens your lung, throat, and voice. The next pose is mermaid pose, which is like this. Which can help and improve your balance. This is the flower pose, which is like this, which increases your muscle strength. The next pose is the upward facing dog, which is like this, which strengthens our spines, arms, and wrists. And then the last pose I'll be talking about is the star pose, which is like this, which benefits your legs, ankles, and back. So that was the end of this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye!